hopefully we won't be at a disadvantage then, because if they're only going to be the two of us and hopefully Deborah working on it, then I hope we're not like, I don't know, at a big disadvantage for that project, you know?
Mm-hmm. I mean, I love projects, but at the same time, I don't, because it usually seems like there's somebody who doesn't like to work as well.
Yeah, well, and of course, BYU Idaho loves the group projects. Like, I'm in 5 classes right now, and last week I had 3 group projects, and now I have this one. So it's like every class you have to have a group project, and it is annoying when no one else helps you.
Mm-hmm. I had a health project that I did last semester with a group, and I was like the only one. I'm like, hey guys, come on, let's participate here. I was almost ready to email the instructor and be like, I'm the only one participating. Can I just do this myself? It'd be so much easier.
Seriously. Oh, that's frustrating. I'm a public health major, and one of my classes is program planning implementation, and the whole thing is like a group project. So every week we have to like meet together and do stuff. But I got really lucky, and I'm in with a really good group, because otherwise that class would be the worst, because the whole class is just a group project, which isn't very fair.
Yeah, I'm the same way. I'm in public health and that, so I'm hoping I don't have to take that class. It doesn't sound familiar.
Yeah, it's like HS 370.
Is it?
So if you get it, just if you don't like your group the first week, then try to do something about it.
Okay.
Because it's going to be a long semester. Oh. All right, quiz. I felt like this lesson was a little bit easier, except for a couple things were confusing to me.
I was the same way. Like, I was just trying to finish up the last couple of homework questions, and
yes. Okay, so that's what I didn't understand. Number 13 in the homework. Do you know how to do that one?
Actually, I was just working on that one.
Yeah, I can't. I don't know how to do that.
What is? Let me see what the. I have no idea, because I went through and did the find the standard deviation, so I got that far.
Okay, yeah.
So I'm wondering, because this is showing. Are you minusing this? Because it gives you the answer of z is 0.881. And then they give you the 0.378. I wonder if they're minusing something to get that answer.
So I'm going to pull up the homework answers again, because I don't even remember. Let's see. Yeah, so I think the question is asking, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm going to write it down. It's like this, right? Because they did this earlier, where it was like P is less than that, but greater than that.
Yeah.
So what's the probability that P will be less than that or greater than that? So do we just find the z-scores of each of them and then add the probabilities? Or I don't understand it. Maybe that's what I need to do. Maybe I should find the z-score of them.
Because I found the z-score, I just calculated that, and what I got was like a negative 1.779. But when I put it into the normal probability applet, I'm not getting anywhere near what they got.
Okay. Well, let me try again.
What did I do? Because I know question 10 was very similar.
Yeah. Yeah, see, I'm just kind of lost. I wish that there were videos for the homework. I don't understand why there isn't.
I know, right?
Because the homework tends to have questions on it that aren't in the preparation.
Mm-hmm.
So I feel like it just would make more sense to put it all in a video for separately.
Right. Okay.
Let's see.
Hmm.
Yeah, see, even when I get the z-scores, I don't even get that number. Because
Yeah.
they say 0.881 or negative 0.881. How did they get that? Maybe if I type that into this probability.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I don't even get that. I'm on.
Yeah, I am so lost. I don't know how to do it at all.
I don't know either. Maybe I'm gonna send off an email and see if maybe I can get clarification on it. Because I thought what I was doing in that would give me the right answer, but no.
Do you mind copying me onto that?
Yeah, I can
Thank
do that.
you. Because I want to see that. Thank
How
you.
it's done. Okay, I will do that. Because I got to email Sister Cook back anyway, so.
Okay. Thank you. That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, hopefully this isn't on the quiz. But we'll see.
Hopefully.
Okay. Well, so question 3. In a pie chart, why are the slices, sectors different sizes? The size of each slice is random. The size of each slice is determined by the number of categories. Each slice represents a category, and the area of each slice represents the proportion of the total occupied by that category. Pie charts are more visually appealing. The third one? Yeah, that's the only one that makes sense. Okay, number 4, how are bar charts and parite, I don't know how you say it, charts related? It's the last one. Yeah, Pareto charts are largest to smallest.
Yeah.
Okay, question 5. Is P the true proportion or the sample proportion?
I want to say it is the true proportion.
Yes, me too. I agree. True proportion. Number 6, what is N? The sample size. I'm glad that doesn't change.
Yeah.
So if P equals 1/4, what is the smallest N that satisfies this requirement? Well, so is it 40?
That one. I am not sure. Because even through the homework question, I wasn't sure how to calculate that one. Because it didn't really, that I saw in here, show you how to do it.
Yeah, it doesn't really But because the answer that was given on that was
100.
100, I figured if you use that NP is greater than or equal to 10, and then for P, you just put in 1/10 like it said for that one.
Mm-hmm.
So you multiply both sides by 10, so you get 100. So if we do that with the fourth, it'd basically be like multiplying both sides by 4, which would be 40. But I don't know why we use that instead of the other one also, or maybe we do.
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you think?
I'm not sure. Because I always thought in hearing that you always did it your x divided by your sample size to get that, which is why I got that question wrong.
Oh,
I
so you know those two rules to see if a sample size is large enough?
Yeah.
NP. So I think those are the ones that we need to use. Huh, but now that you say that, I wonder if it is that one. No, I think we used the other one. I don't know.
That one definitely, I think I need to try getting more clarification on too.
I'm going to say 40 and see
what it says. Okay.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, question 8. What is the mean of P? So just 0.4.
Uh-huh.
What is a standard deviation?
I get 0.1.
I got 0.1, but then to take the square root of it, I got 0.1.
Because I used my square root in it.
Okay, let me try again. Yeah, I'm still getting 0.1.
Yeah, that's what I had.
You got 0.1?
Yeah, 0.1.
Cool. Okay, question 10. Brittany's batting average is 0.300. We want to determine the probability she will get more than 35 hits in her next 100 at-bats. What is P? P equals 100. Oh no, sorry, it gets 0.3. Oh, well, no.
Wouldn't it be 0.3?
Yeah, right? Because P and P are the same thing.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know why that confused me. Okay, standard deviation. Hey, I'm so sorry. Someone's trying to find my apartment. Do you mind if I go outside real fast?
Yeah.
I'll just be right back.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry about that.
No, you're fine.
Okay, standard deviation. Did you find her, Brett? Sorry. Sorry, we're selling something off Facebook and someone's trying to find our apartment.
No, you're good.
Okay. At 0.46.
Yeah, because you round up.
Yeah.
I got.
See that? Okay. So 0.046.
Mm-hmm.
Of the z-score. Did you find it, Brett?
Yeah, I had a little Boston Terrier puppy.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So which one is the first one that we put down? Is that
That one says it's supposed to be the value. So I'm assuming the value in this case would be her batting average.
okay? 0.300. Well, I guess it's the same thing. That
Yeah.
minus 0.3. So would that just be 0 then?
Yeah.
I don't get that.
Yeah, the first value is 0 up top.
Yeah. So it's just 0? That seems weird. Z-score 0. Alright. What is the probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits in her next 100 at-bats? So we find the z-score, is that what we do?
That one, I think, is like the one question that we had.
Yeah. So I found the z-score of it. Is that what you did?
That's what I'm trying to do, yeah.
Okay. So I got 1.087.
Okay. Yeah.
Is that what you got?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then when I put that in, so at least if you put that in the normal probability applet, is it like you shade everything below it, right?
Mm-hmm. Get at least 35. I thought at least meant more.
So if you at least get 35. Oh, yeah. So we should shade above it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. You're right. So then it's 0.139.
Yeah.
Okay. That looks right to me.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Use the following information for the next 3 questions. If the true proportion of people who support a political candidate is P equals 0.52 and N equals 2,000, people are surveyed, we want to determine the probability that the results of the survey will suggest the candidate is losing the election, getting less than 50% of the votes. So what is the standard deviation? Standard deviation. We're at 0.011.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Okay. What z-score would you use? What would the value be for that?
Getting less than 50, so would it be 0.5?
Yeah. That sounds right. So is it negative 1.818?
Hold on one sec. That's what I got.
Okay. So what is the probability the survey results will show the candidate is losing even though the true p equals 0.52? So do we just put that into the normal probability applet?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay.
It looks like you need to take that and then minus the answer we got for our z-score to find out what it will be.
We don't just take the area from the normal probability applet?
To find the probability, this is the equation that you gave me, which in one of the questions that it shows, it's showing you take, no, am I looking at this wrong? Because it will be greater than, find the probability.
This. Right,
I don't
know. Will you call him, please?
Let's go.
So I think if we just put in the z-score of 1.818 and then just, I don't know, maybe I just shaded what was under that because they're losing, so it'd be on that side.
Yeah, when I shade under that, 0.8078 is what I got.
Okay, I got 0.035.
Let me try this.
Did you put the z-score as negative 1.818?
No, but I'm going to try this again. Yeah, 0.0345.
Okay, perfect. And instead of 3 decimal places, it's 0.035. Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah, like, I've never felt so, I don't know, didn't get it. Wow, we did really good. Actually, we only missed 2.
Yeah. I will take it.
Yeah, me too. Let's see. Oh, do you know what? Question 10. We should have used P equals X over N. Right?
Yeah.
So that'd be, what, 35 over 100? So it should have been 0.35, I think.
Uh-huh.
So then to find the z-score would be different.
Mm-hmm. Because what we'd use the 0.35 in place of the 300.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. So I guess we can just retake that. Wow, I'm actually really surprised.
I am
Okay.
too.
So what was the thing that we questioned so much? Let's see.
It was that last one, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was the last one, but wasn't there? Okay, so to find the smallest number, the 41. So we did that one right. What's the mean of P, standard deviation? Okay. Well, cool. Well, I'm glad we got the last one right, because otherwise I would have had no idea how to do that.
I know, right?
Cool. All right. Yay! That's a good feeling.
I know. Maybe I can take the quiz tonight.
Yeah.
My goal is to take the quiz.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, well then that's good. So I guess we just need to figure out what we want to do for our projects.
Yes. I guess we can either send off an email so that way we can think about it and then Thursday finally decide, or we could just decide on Thursday.
Okay. Yeah, how about let's just think about it. Hopefully Deborah will meet with us on Thursday. And then we can figure out what we want to do.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
Cool. And then if you don't mind just telling me or putting me on that email, that'd be awesome. Make sure we're doing that right.
Yes, I will do that.
Cool. Thanks, Ashley.
You're welcome. See you Thursday.
Okay, see ya.